Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my stamping for the Stamping Saturday Collab, and the theme this week is gradient. So on my nails I started with one coat of Oont ready for takeoff peel off base coat, and then over that I have one coat Vaaahze Loaded Lacquer Low A-whey foundational base color. And then the color that I have is Vaaahze Loaded Lacquer You Shot My Vaaahze. And it's this off-white with these beautiful iridescent glitters in it. So I have 3 coats of that on my nails. So I'm going to be stamping using this plate, Maniology MXM 008. Can't believe I haven't used this one yet, but I decided I want to do some bubbles, so I'll be using this image. It's the only plate that I could find that had some decent bubbles for me to use. So I'm just going to peel this film off. And when you're peeling the film, you want to make sure you hold your plate down so that you don't bend it. Okay, now I'm going with my 100% acetone on a cotton ball. And I'm just going to get that residue from the blue film off. Okay, and that plate already feels a little wobbly. Alright, so I'm going to put my mat down. And I'm going to do it this way because we're doing, here, let me zoom in so you can see. So because we're doing a gradient, I'll pull that off for now. I want to do this way because I'm going to have to scrape it a couple of times to blend it. So I'm going to be stamping using Maniology Wild Wings B294 and Maniology Splash B432. So let me show you. Alright, so I'll do half there. And then half here. So if you just scrape once, now the key to a gradient, you want to scrape mostly, you want to get a firm scraper for this. And you want to scrape mostly almost flat. And a couple of times because you want to blend your 2 colors together. So gently scrape and then go over, and I'm going to move up a little bit. And then I'm going to do it again and move down a little bit so that those blend. And I'm going to oh, come on. Now I hope this didn't dry too much already. Let's see. Alright, stamp. Alright, and then see. So your pink and then your blue blend together a little bit, and you see a little bit of purple right there in the middle. So that's how you want to do your gradient. So there's not a harsh line between your 2 colors. You want to do blended in the middle. So there's that one. And hopefully I can go quicker. But I don't want to go too quick because I want you to see the process. Alright. and get this excess off my card. And use plenty of polish. Use more polish than what you think you need, because you are going to be scraping a couple times and you are going to be blending. Alright, so we're going to do it again. Okay, pink. And then blue. Okay, mostly flat. And scrape, and then you want to move slightly up and slightly down to get them to blend in the middle. Roll. And now we're going to remove the excess. And then stamp. And see, that one wasn't quite quick enough because it didn't all stick. I've got that one right there. Then I got holes. Maybe it won't show in my pictures. That is gonna show. All right, so yeah, you want to make sure you go quicker, especially if you're using fine lines like I am. So I don't think I'm going to be able to clean up the excess. I think I'll just have to clean it up on my fingers. Because I do want to transfer it all over. I did put this polish on a couple days ago, so that's another reason why I don't want it to stick too well. That and because it's fine lines. So, clean the stamper. And let's do it again. Pink. And blue. And I chose these colors because I kind of want them to look like soap bubbles. I thought that'd be kind of cute and springy. And this is the time of year where kids like to go play with the bubbles outside with the bubble wands. So there we go. See, you got to be quick with those fine lines. Although that one's mostly pink, so now I need to start centering them in the middle of my nail. So I have an equal amount of the pink, blue, and gradient. If I could pick up my scraper, that'd be wonderful. All right. Pink. Blue. And gently scrape and a couple times move up and down. And then roll. And then let's see if I can center the purple. Dog it. Why won't you stick? I did you quicker. And then I don't have any more pink to be able to put another circle there where I need it. Maybe I can fix it in a minute. I'll see if I can fix it after. Okay. All right, last one. All right, pink. And blue. Scrape mostly flat. Move up and down just a tad to blend it. And boom. Press it down and keep it down for a minute. Maybe it'll stick. There we go. That's better. All right, let me see if I can put one right there. And that one can just be pink. So, maybe this bubble right here. That was probably too slow, but let's see. There we go. I hope I was on camera for that. I want to fix that one too. Let's see if I can get a good size right there. So that one. Okay. And see there. There we go. All right, I'm going to clean up and then I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I have cleaned up and then I top coated with my Maniology Smudge Free top coat. And then once that dried with my Salon Perfect Plumping Gel Effect top coat. So there is my finished mani. What do you think? I think it turned out cute. It kind of looks like those soap bubbles to me. What do you think? So, as per usual, I will have everyone else's photo at the end of this video, after my photo. And then I'll have the links to their videos in the description bar below. Don't forget, I do have a discount code for Maniology, LJNails10, and that'll get you 10% off at maniology.com. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. And y'all have a good evening. Bye.